No outdoor event is complete without trash cans, but it takes a substantial amount of planning, logistics, and hard work by the setup crew to ensure the tons of garbage generated is properly managed. However, it's not as simple and easy as it seems, because most event trash cans are heavy. Organizers need vehicles to move them around, along with a good deal of time and effort to simply place and organize them at your event. And all that means that there will be extra charges event waste management companies have to equate for. And the final must-have tools are large trash can liners. They help to keep the bins clean but need to be changed frequently, or they become too heavy for workers to lift out. You have to consider the cost of storing and warehousing your steel drums too, as it's a biggie. Event waste management requires a lot of hard work, and anytime a job requires more effort, you can be sure that more money is going to go out. However, by replacing the steel drums with BagEZ trash bag holders, not only do you save time and money, but you shorten the setup time and effort your crew needs to put in. BagEZ is available in 3 sizes, and its large opening makes disposal easy. It fits small 13-gallon to large 95-gallon bags, so you can get more garbage in without having to change them frequently. It holds heavy bags up to 55 pounds or 25 kgs, and to free a bag, all you have to do is pull off the clips to release it from the frame and seal it to lock everything in. It's compact to make storage and transportation effortless. You can carry more than 100 holders in 3 small boxes that weigh less than 20 pounds, and they take up less space to store than a single large drum. They are made of steel and designed to last for years even with rough use, just like steel drums. And that's just a few of the benefits BagEZ provides. To learn more, visit bagez.com and let us help you make managing waste at your event easy.